scratches. Oh God. Welcome back to another episode of In the Wild with Frankie. Out here, we have a group of wild vloggers. You'll see. Let's go carefully. They're all taking pictures of their cars. They got their cameras. We gotta keep our distance. They vlog everything. Let's hide behind here. Oh, I think I've been spotted. Oh no, they see me. They see me. They see me. They can take pictures. Ah! Ah, no! Watch him here!
So I brought my drone, and the drone serves two functions today. One, it's gonna get some cool footage of us going up and down hills. Two, it's gonna show us the way.
Alright, so we've been lost for how long now?
Just an hour and 20 minutes.
An hour and 20 minutes, we've been lost. Bye, Amanda's saving her life by getting out, I guess.
Seconds, I'm dead.
If we're dead, I love you, Bree. I love you, Jordan. I love you, Snobby.
If we die, they're never gonna see this footage.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, maybe when they find our bodies. Oh, okay. Yeah. So go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, guys, I just want to let you know this was a stupid idea. It should have never came out here. I don't know what to do.
I regret nothing! Yeah! It looks like we made it! It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
We made it!